Okay, this is a love reading for the collective. So if you did happen to come across this, it most likely is for you. As always, only make sure to take what resonates and leave what doesn't. Use your intuition. I'm going to be using the Island Time Wellness Love Oracle deck, and I've already pulled out a spread here, popped out a spread, and yeah, let's get into it. Okay, first card we have out is Key with the Ring. That means you may have been dealing with someone that had third parties or was juggling you, a player, you know what I mean? And yeah, not cool, man. But now this person, so this is going to be about someone from your past. This person is going to want to give you that commitment that you were looking for in the beginning, after they already like hurt you, broke your heart, and played you. Now all of a sudden they realize who you are and how much you mean to them, and they want to bring you that dedicated, like a higher level of commitment instead of just playing with their heart. We have the engagement ring here. And they're asking for you to be like the palm tree and be flexible and be understanding, and they want to offer you like more stability in the relationship. But you're like, not today, bro, not today. Like, you had your chance. Like, why are you coming in now and doing this? But yep, this may resonate with some of you. It most likely may be your twin flame or your soulmate here. Twin flame or soulmate from the past. So just be mindful of that. But the next card here is the Key with the Ring. So this is either saying your twin flame may be trying to come back, but a soulmate is coming in to replace that person instead, or vice versa. But there may be someone here that is the right fit for you. You have to decide, which one do you choose? Do you want your twin flame or do you want your soulmate? Yeah, tricky choice. But remember, listen to your intuition. You know what's right for you. Okay, and remember, I don't know why I'm mumbling. Remember to stand in your power. But whoever this person is coming in will try to seduce you. So definitely keep your boundaries up and protect your energy, okay? And the bottom deck energy is a lightning. So this may be happening very soon or very quickly or out of nowhere. So just be aware of that. All right, thanks, guys. If you like this reading, make sure to check out my YouTube channel. I do vibe and chills where I pull free card pulls for my collective that joins in, and we just vibe and chill and see what messages come out that day. But all right, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.